Hey you all, welcome to another version with your girl, the fashionable Hannah. If you've been following me, liking, sharing and commenting on all my stuff on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and every place, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you all. It's almost 10k followers, and after this, once we're getting to 10k, I'm gonna go live and give my 3 followers a giveaway. But then we're gonna play a game for us to win the top 3 giveaway prizes. So today we are talking about fall fashion. What do you want to put on this time during the fall season? What are you most comfortable in? That I'm gonna be giving you guys trendy fall fashion. So hope you stay tuned and hope you like this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. First outfit for fall fashion. You guys know my love for leather. You guys know my love for black. First of all, during the fall it gets a little bit colder, so you need something warm. And black brings so much heat to your body. Everybody knows that. Black brings so much heat. And this is a mini faux leather gown. As you guys can see, you want some tights to keep yourself a little bit warm. And guess what? These are like patent blue knee-high boots. These boots are the bomb. I got them on sale like for $45 from $100. I'm telling you, these boots are a killer. Love them. I paired them up with my bag from Nova, my mini bag. And during fall fashion, if you want to be most trendy, you have to accessorize. You guys see my accessories. Everything is from Wellington. And so, yeah, your girl is looking all classy. For any fall fashion party, you're going to be standoutish. You're going to be all eyes on you. So, yeah, this is it for our first outfit. A mini faux leather dress. It's giving class. Is giving all kind of senses of any party you want to attend this fall. So you guys rush, get your mini leather dresses. It's gonna keep you warm. You're still gonna be outstanding and you're still gonna be classy. So yeah, this is it for outfit number 1. Dress is so comfortable. This leather is so soft. So thank you guys. This is it for outfit number 1, and this is the second outfit. What do you guys think about this outfit? This is our second fall fashion trending fall look. Trending. Yeah, you always want to have like a gray suit. This suit is from Zara. It's like a mini dress blazer kind of thingy, but I love it because it has some style. Just look at the buttons right here. It's giving style, and I paired it up like with a little innerwear inside with the color of my boots, and my tie boots are silver. Your girl is banging. Like, this is a trendy fall fashion look you will want to incorporate in your closet. For fall fashion, I would recommend always getting like shirt dresses or blazer dresses. Zara got the best. So this is one from Zara. I got it on sale, really cheap and affordable. So yeah, it's good for the cold weather. I paired it up with my high boots. It's giving fall fashion, trending fall looks. It's giving class. It's serving all kind of serving. So yeah, this is it. To brighten up your fall fashion look, you always want to add some color. This is my purse, Chanel, and my tie boots. So get this gold tie boots. I'm telling you, they are killer. They're from ASOS. All you need is this tie boots in your closet, and boom, you're out to go. You could wear this for a birthday celebration. You could wear this for like pumpkin patch outfits. You could wear this for like just to go on a dinner date with your boyfriend or wherever. But to church, no, it's too short for a church outfit. But girl, it's all classy. So incorporate this kind of look into your closet, especially blazer dresses for fall fashion. So yeah, it's this for outfit number 2. on to outfit number 3. So, and this is the third outfit, guys. This is the third outfit. I always tell you guys need to add a little bit of black in everything you need in your closet, especially for the fall. So these are the bomb-ass zebra boots you need. Every girl needs a zebra boot for the fall, whether you're living in Florida, Maryland, Chicago, wherever, but you need this zebra boots. It can go with anything colorful, but you guys know your girl loves black and white, so I decided to pair it with this leather skirt and this blazer from Nude. It's like a blazer dress, but it's more of a blazer. You can wear it with pants to keep more warm during this cold season. So yeah, paired it up with my baggie from Burlington. You guys know your girl loves Burlington, so this is kind of like a color block purse. So it matches with my zebra boots, it matches with everything, and your girl is ready for this fall season. This is the third outfit for a trendy, classy, sassy fall season. So you guys go do this color block. Make sure you you try to copy out this outfit however you want to do it, and send me pictures. Drop it in the comment section and I'll appreciate it. But this is it for outfit number 3. It's giving a Tennessee girl vibe. Yep, you guys know all those who live up the way north, Tennessee, Atlanta, Maryland. This is what you need to go out during this fall season and stand out in your parties or wherever you want to go out to. So this is it for outfit number 3. And then we have one more outfit where I'm going to give you guys a little bit of color. Who can guess what color? But I'm going to give you guys a little bit of color and a little bit of style for this fall season. So stay put. So this is the last outfit. I told you guys I'm going to be bringing you guys some colors, and this is if you want to spice yourself during this time of Thanksgiving, during this time of this fall season. And you guys know burnt orange is giving if you want to appear and stand out in a crowd when you want all eyes to be on you. So every girl needs, or I would recommend, orange or burnt orange or brown for your closet, especially during this fall season. So with this orange dress, I paired it up with red, and I think I really like it. It's giving kind of a summer vibes, and it's giving like a bright color on my tone. I've been rocking orange during this time, and I totally love how I paired this up. This is a vest from Dillard's. I actually got it 99 cents. If you watch my video on swimsuit, I got a bunch of things for 99 cents. You wouldn't believe it. But I bought this. I got this yellow dress, and you guys know I always have my boots from BB. So my bag, I think this is Zara clutch or so, but this is how I paired this up with this mini blazer dress. And I totally love this dress because it's lightweight, and with my vest it makes me totally warm. So you guys should try out this combo, orange and red, for the fall, and you tell me what you think about it. But so far so good. I would think that this is the best outfit I've put on for all the other outfits. So let me know which is your favorite, how you're rocking this fall outfit, what you have in your closet and what you don't have, and what you want to incorporate more. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah, bringing you up with a lot of fashion tips. Hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next video. It's your girl.
Fashion Family Lifestyle.